A history of keeping Noblesville clean.
My grandparents started in 1960, and we were on the corner of 8th and Connor, where the Judicial Center is now. And in 1990, when they built the Judicial Center, we moved here. So we've been in this location since 1990. People like their jeans done, their t-shirts. I think they like them creased and pressed. So we do everything. I did a shoe the other day. Somebody got something on their shoe. So they wanted that to get clean. So we'll try to do anything.
Why successful for so long? Service with a smile.
I just think it's our employees that are so friendly, and again, the community is so friendly, and we just try to do a good job, and I think people appreciate that.
Business rolls on after several lean months due to the pandemic. We don't realize when we're home doing Zoom meetings in our pajamas how much it affects local business.
Yeah, people just aren't working. We didn't have weddings. We weren't able to, have any big events to need fancy clothes for. So, yeah, it's hurt us. We're hanging in there, though.
Wear a tie when you're on
Yeah,
Zoom
exactly.
or
Or you know what? We do household stuff. If you need what about your comforter, your bedspread, anything like that maybe you've been laying around the house with, an Afghan. We can do all that and clean and sanitize all that.
So supporting local means more than buying coffee or having lunch at a local restaurant. Bolden's needs us to put on a starched shirt every once in a while. Thankfully, local law enforcement still does.
We do the Carmel, Westfield, and Hamilton County Sheriff's Department, so that keeps us going. And we have still our regular customers that have been coming here long time that still come in. Maybe with just a shirt or two, not 10, but still, we're still getting some business. We've always been a family operation, and I don't know, we just love Noblesville, and we just like to stay here.
And that's a little bit of what's happening in Noblesville. Will Hampton for the Times247.com.